could choo-choo, but Tommeh couldn't choo-choo. They could only Tommeh's was loud and horrific. It scared all passengers, so nobody ever wanted to take the Tommeh train. And some people say Tommeh still haunts the trains today, even in our school.
But why?
I'm not scared of no Tommeh. What's so scary about a train? I've rode trains since I was 2. I can even remember the choo-choos. Trains only choo-choo. I've never heard of one that goes eh. Such a ridiculous story. I'm out of here.
Yeah, Gold, it doesn't really sound like a real story.
We got things to do.
I didn't make it up.
Gold, I don't know how you came up with that crazy story.
Everyone knows about the legend.
Hey, remember to look both ways.
Oh yeah, Lunar!
I heard today we're learning about train history.
Don't tell anybody about my story. They'll laugh at it, okay?
Why would I, Gold? It's train history, not train story.
Everyone, fear of Tommeh. Let's go into hallways and keep saying Tommeh. Hey, look, guys. I'm going to scream Tommeh 3 times, and maybe they'll come out. Tommeh! Tommeh! Tommeh!
Not funny, Rainbow.
I think you're thinking of the wrong thing.
Welcome, students, back to your first day of train history. But first, I will be taking attendance. Do we have a Draco here?
Here.
Gold?
Here.
Lunar?
Present.
Rainbow? You know what? I'm just not going to ask why you did that. And everyone, please meet our new student that just arrived here today. Tommeh. No way. Give me 1 second, students. It looks like Tommeh is too shy to come in.
Is that what I think it is?
My name is Tommeh. You probably heard of
Tommeh's
me.
here to haunt
I'm
us.
the coolest kid on the block.
I ain't ever seen you on the block.
That's because I'm new. Didn't you hear? Why are you talking like that?
I told you Tommeh's real. Tommeh's real.
You guys are probably wondering why I'm here today. Huh? You're wondering? You're probably curious.
Is it to say chew, chew?
You don't think I can chew? You know what I can do? Huh? I can.
What's happening, I can't talk without ing.
Hey, you. What's your favorite color? It's pink. Not anymore. You're right. My favorite color is pink.
I understand. I understand your power now.
It's too late. Give me a handshake.
I can feel the power. I am now Lune.
You know what's gonna happen to you, right?
Please, Tommeh, the train, have mercy on me. It is not my fault that the passengers did not ride your train.
I'll give you 30 seconds to run.
Thank you, Tommeh. Hurry, go.
You better ride.
Chugga, chugga, I'm scared. I think I'm safe behind this tree. I don't think anybody can find me. Did I just hear that? If I hide here forever, Tommeh will get me.
No escape.
Wait up, bus. I'm getting out of here. I'm ditching town. I'm never coming back here again. Nobody ever listens to me. They're always thinking I'm making up tales. Bus driver, please take me to the coldest continent, Canada, please.
How about I take you to
No!
You can't escape us. Chugga chugga Run.